In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML to your Squarespace website. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to incorporate custom elements or tweak your site's appearance to better fit your brand. By following these steps, you'll have the flexibility to personalize your site beyond the basic Squarespace offerings. Let's begin by accessing your Squarespace website editor. You'll want to log in and navigate to the back end of your website, where you have the ability to make all the changes and updates you'll need. Once you're inside the website editor, look for the option to add a new block to your page. This is typically found in the section menu or sometimes directly in the page content area where you're looking to make your changes. Clicking Add Block allows you to insert new elements into your existing layout, giving you the chance to add custom code through HTML. After selecting Add Block, look for and click on the option labeled Load. This part is very important because it's the gateway to inserting your custom HTML. Once you click on Code, you'll open a new section that allows for custom coding. Don't worry if you don't see your changes immediately. You're creating the structure now, and the results will be visible soon. Next, you'll want to find the Edit option in the newly added code block. This is where you'll be able to directly insert and modify the HTML that you'd like to add to your site. Clicking on Edit takes you to a more detailed editor window. Now, you might see a drop-down arrow. Click on this arrow to expand more options. This step is about making sure you're in the right setting for inserting HTML code specifically. With the options expanded, select HTML. This is crucial because Squarespace supports other code types, but we're focusing on HTML today. Now, you're ready to paste your HTML code into the designated area. Whether you've coded it yourself or copied it from a source, paste it into the block provided. Finally, after you've added your HTML, it's time to make sure it's saved. Click on Save to apply all your changes. This step is sometimes overlooked, but it's essential to ensure all the hard work you've put into customizing your page is not lost. Once saved, your HTML will be live on your Squarespace website, and you can preview to see the immediate impact of your changes. So there you have it. With these steps, you can seamlessly integrate HTML into your Squarespace site, allowing for enhanced customization and uniqueness. Feel free to experiment and see how these changes can bring your vision for your website to life. Thank you for watching and enjoy customizing your Squarespace site.